In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, tap on Face Recognition, enter your current login method. Click on this icon next to enable Pickup to Wake to switch it off or on, hit Get Started, choose Agree, and finally keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait. Then manage those options and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is no longer required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!